Hi everybody, I'm here to demo Commerce, which is an eBay-like shopping website as a part of CS50's web course. Let's get started. So this is what the homepage or the index page looks like for a user that hasn't signed in. So let's log in with an account, right? And this shows me all the currently active listings. Let's get started. The first thing that we do is create our very own listing or an item that can be bidded on. So I've got some content here that I can just paste in. This is a book, so it has an image description, a product name, category would be books, and price, let's say 700. Let's create this listing. Now, if I scroll right down, I can see that this listing that was created by me is visible here. And the default route displays every listing with a title, the owner or the user who made that listing, the starting price published by the owner, and the current or the highest bidding, a little bit of a text-based description, and an image because it was provided. Now, since I'm signed in, I should be able to remove and add items to my watch list. So let's take this item. This is not in my watch list. I can add it, and so now it shows that it is in my watch list. How do I check that? I go back here, watch list. So Harry Potter t-shirt. Clicking this takes me back to that listing. I can remove it also. So then when I go back to your watch list, it's not that. The Harry Potter t-shirt is not visible. I should be able to bid on any item. So let's bid on this tablet. It is, there are no bids made on it before. So let's make one right now. This is a valid bid. So that's why this bid is recorded since it's higher than the previous bid or all of them before. So this is the current bid. And if I enter an invalid one, it says that it's not recorded and my bid should be higher than the current bid or the current price. So let's go back to active listings. And since Hita is the owner of only these two, and it hasn't been bid on by another user. So let's just go to here and bid on this item right here, right? So this bid is recorded, and this is the currently highest running bid. Sign in again with Hita, who is the owner of this bid, sorry, our listing. And since I made it, I should be able to close this listing. There's already a bid, which is 900. If I close this listing, this page is rendered back saying that this item was sold to Leo, which I just showed you before. So now if I go to active listings, that listing is not active anymore. So that listing is not shown in the currently active ones. I should be able to add comments to any listing page, and it should also display the current or previous comments that were made by different users. So as you can see, Leo has made some comments. So let's also make one. Right, send, and then it's shown here, it's reflected here that I commented, right? The next bit is about showing the watch list. And okay, I already showed that. Let's just show it here again. This is my watch list. I can add or delete items in my watch list since it is, and remove it. So now it's not in my watch list. This duo is not in my watch list. And I should be able to show all the current categories of all the listings, and clicking on any one of them should take me to the listings related that are a part of that come under that category. And let's take electronics. So that Microsoft Duo was the only one which comes under electronics. So this painting comes under the category of handcrafts. Let's go check that out. So yep, the painting and the wand are right here. And let's just show all the models. So these are the different models that are compulsory or mandatory to have. That is listing, bids, and comments. So listings, bids, and comments, and the rest are not compulsory. So I've made an extra one called category. Yes. And the next bit is about Django admin interface, where I should be able to add, remove, delete any of the models that I've made. So this is the Django admin interface. Leo is the super user. So all these changes are made by Leo, right? So let's take a listing. Let's add something to a listing. Right. So let's see in my video, you've got a product name. description, an image, then a price, and a category. So category would be electronics, right? Watch listers are none. Let me save that. So that listing is created, this TV. So if I go back and reload the active listings, I can see that TV is right here. Then I should be able to add, edit and remove them. So let's go back here, make some changes. So I can remove a couple words. Right, made a couple changes. I can save it, and that would be shown here in the product name that has changed. I should be able to delete it as well. So let me delete the selected listing, right? And about comments, we can do that also. Let's just show the listing that was deleted is not there. Yeah, the comments, I can remove a comment. I can, so this is the comment, right? So I can save it, changes are reflected. I can remove it. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I can delete it. That comment is not there here. I can add one. And let's say that's under the Microsoft Duo by Leo. Great price. Save. Right? That comment is recorded. That would be displayed right here. And I should be able to bid on items as well. Let's go see that. So let's add a bid on which listing on the t-shirt. Let's say 1,000. By which user, Jasmine, say. So this is the latest bid made. The latest bid on the t-shirt is recorded as 1,000. So it was just done now. Yeah. I can edit that bid also. Save. So now it shows 1030 instead of 1,000. And let's remove it. That's also done. Right. So this was the demo. Hope you all liked it. Thank you.